In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the super admin in Zoho CRM. Changing the super admin in your Zoho CRM can be an essential task, especially if there have been changes in your organization's management or if roles and responsibilities have been restructured. The process is straightforward, and I'll be guiding you through each step to ensure a smooth transition. To get started, you'll first need to go to the main dashboard of your Zoho CRM account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Setup icon, often represented by a wrench or gear symbol, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it, and this will take you to the Setup page, where you'll have access to various administrative options. Next, you'll want to focus on the Company Settings section. This can usually be found on the left-hand sidebar. Company Settings is the area where you have access to modify details and settings specific to your organization, which includes managing roles such as the super admin. Now, click on Company Details. Here you'll see a summary of your organization's specific information, and there will be an option marked Edit. By selecting this, you gain the ability to make necessary changes to your company's administrative setup, such as changing the super admin. With the edit mode active, you should locate the super admin section. It's important to handle this area with care as it involves adjusting top-level administrative controls. In this section, you will find an option to search for users within your organization. Hit the Search Users option, and a search bar will appear, allowing you to look up the desired person by their name or email. This step is critical in ensuring the transition of the super admin role goes to the right individual. Once you've identified the person you intend to make the new super admin, select the user from the search results. Double-check to confirm you've chosen the correct user, as this role comes with heightened permissions and responsibilities within your CRM system. After making your selection, finalize the change by clicking on the Save button. Saving secures these changes and updates the system to reflect the switch in administrative roles, thus completing the process. Lastly, a few tips to bear in mind. Ensure communication with your team regarding this change so everyone is aware of the new super admin. It helps to confirm the new super admin is properly equipped with the knowledge and resources required to assume this role effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the super admin in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more useful guides.